Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. First, we'll start with the derivative and technical update. On technical front, yesterday Nifty traded a sideways but held on the bullish momentum and closed just above 19,800 levels. And also, index yesterday respect the cap of trade. And if we see the technically, it closed weekly close above 19,800 levels. Then Nifty will take index towards 20,400 mark. On today's trading session, any intraday dip towards 19,650 levels can be viewed as a buying opportunity. Bias for the day remains bullish with the 19,600 as a support zone. On a Bank Nifty front, Bank Nifty traded yesterday on a cautious note and has closed with the doji candlestick pattern. If you see on the daily chart, yesterday prices tried to cross resistance near 44,700 mark but failed to sustain those levels. So the prices are still consolidating in a range. So any technically decisive breakout above 45,000 levels will activate the bulls for the further upside momentum. So Bank Nifty is expected trading range within a 44,000 to 45,000 levels. So for today's trading session, any intraday dip towards 44,300 and 44,200 levels can be viewed as a buying opportunity. On the derivative front, if you see Nifty future witnessed yesterday a short covering to the tune of minus 3.93% with the OI decrease 0.46 million contracts. PCR is also decreased from 1.31 to 1.22. And as per OI data, call buildup were seen at 20,000 strike, and while on the put side, 19,600. On the Bank Nifty front, Bank Nifty future also witnesses short covering to the tune of minus 4.77%, while OI decreased by 0.12 million contracts. In the Bank Nifty also, PCR is a decrease from 1.12 to 0.80 levels. And if you see on the OI data, call and put build up. So in the call front, 44,500 is a maximum OI, and put side 44,000 maximum OI. Overall, if we see the Nifty hold positive momentum after today 10:30, then one can buy a in the money call option. Stock to watch out, stocks looking good is a Escort, Godrej Property, Alembic Pharma, that is APLL Limited, and Hero Motoko. On the FII front, FII added longs by 11,881 contracts and net short by 73,793. So overall long short ratio is at 29%. Cash segment FII sold out 421.77 crore and DI about 1,032.02 crore. Long build-up were seen Apollo Hospital, Bharti Airtel, Dr. Reddy and Hindalco. Short build-up witness ICICI Prudential, Bank of Baroda and India Mart. On the report front, today one can buy APLL Limited in the range 810 and 805. Stop loss is 783 and target is 885. That's it from my end. Now I will hand over to Archana ma'am for the research update. Thank you and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kshitija. Good morning, team. So, few updates from my side, starting with TCS. The company has reported weak set of revenues due to the slowdown in the discretionary projects, especially in the North America and the project ramp downs. While the macro is uncertain, we believe TCS will continue to win cost optimization, vendor consolidation, and integrated operations type of deals. We expect the company to be a key beneficiary considering the client profile and the recent large deal wins. In addition, we expect H2 to be better than H1, led by the ramp up in the deal wins and healthy deal pipeline. And however, considering the recent run up in the stock price, we downgrade the stock from buy to hold while maintaining the same target price of 3,740. The company has also announced the buyback of 4.09 crore shares, which is roughly 1.12% of the outstanding equity at 4,150 a piece, aggregating 17,000 crores. Next is on Maruti Suzuki. The largest car manufacturing company has started exporting its Jimny 5-door The vehicle will be shipped to Latin America, the Middle East, and Africa. Next is on Cipla. The pharma majors manufacturing unit Ingeva Pharmaceuticals got an EIR from the US FDA post inspection of the Long Island facility as voluntary action indicated. The next update is on JSW Steel. The company has been declared the preferred bidder for the auction held on 21st August 2023 for Jaisinghpura North Block declared by the government of Karnataka on 11th October 2023. The captive coal block ensures the timely availability as well as the cheaper cost. So that bodes positive for the company. The next update is on Lemon Tree Hotels. The company has announced the opening of Lemon Tree Hotel Sonmarg. This is the fourth property of the group in Jammu, Kashmir. The hotel features 38 well-appointed rooms and suites, some of the overlooking snow-covered mountains. This bodes well for the company. We believe that the way the company is adding the inventory, next 2-3 years should be very good in terms of earnings revival for Lemon Tree. We have positive outlook on the stock as well as the industry. On Astral, the company has started commercial production of plastic water storage tank and PVC pipes at Guwahati plant. So this bodes well for overall earnings growth. On Shakti Pumps, the board has approved to make the investment of 114 crores in the wholly owned subsidiary, that is Shakti EV Mobility Private Limited, in one or more tranches in the next 5 years. This is positive for the diversification standpoint and overall is a positive news for the company. And lastly, on Lakshmi Organics, the Lakshmi Organic Industries Limited has announced the successful completion of its fundraise of 259 crores through a qualified institutional placement of its equity shares. The fundraising committee at its meeting held on October 10, 2023 has approved the allotment of roughly 96 lakh equity shares at the face value of 2 at an issue price of 269. In terms of funding for the raised fund will be used for capex plans going ahead, and this bodes positive for the company's overall growth going ahead. So that's it from my side. I hand it over to Prabhakar sir for further research updates. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Good morning, team. There are few stocks and sectors which are doing very good. In that, real estate is one segment which is moving higher. In that, we like DLF, Loda. Loda, I see lot of premium housing selling at a premium price. So DLF and Loda is a major beneficiary. Even Ashiana Housing has started to outperform. And we like Sriram Properties also in that space. And Oberoi Real Estate. There are many companies, Phoenix Mill. So real estate is a space to watch. Then anything connected with stock market is also doing good, mainly AMCs. So HDFC AMC, NAM India, UTI AMC are few stocks to watch out for. Godrej Property is also something we like in real estate. NMDC is looking good. Angel One is also making all-time high, which is related to Angel One plans to open Angel One Wealth Management Services, which is also positive for that stock. Bharati Airtel is one more stock which is moving higher. And gold jewelry stock like Kalyan Jewelers and Senco Gold is doing very well. So this is a few stocks to watch out for. MedPlus Health Service Board approves 1,200 crore fundraising through NCD. Aster DM, which is a hospital company, they have some operation in India as well as in GCC country. So they are planning to sell. So the total valuation comes to $2.5 billion. Now, but we don't track the stock, so we won't be able to comment. Root Mobile deepens its ties with Robi Axia, Bangladesh, as a tactical enabler and sales partner for RCS business messaging services. In a very interesting news, this proxy firms ILIAS recommends voting against Anand Ambani to Reliance board. So I think it is very difficult, but what merit he has is what they will rise. Now I see a merit in what they are asking, but two big peoples. No, it is very difficult to comment on it. Grassiv will consider fundraising via rights, QIB preference issue. So their board is meeting on 16th October. So the quantum, everything will be known then. There are few newly listed companies which came with results. So one such company is Zaggle Prepaid. They reported a revenue which was higher by 33%. This is for Q1 FY24. So, but their margins were down from 12.2% to 6.7%. Their profit after tax was down by 67%. Now, even Jupiter Life Hospital, they came with results after which the stock has almost corrected 9%. So, I think, most of the stocks, which are newly listed, when the results come, there will be a huge disappointment. So, these stocks will gradually correct and they will come to a good level. That is something which, as an investor, we need to wait. Patience is very important. Info Edge, which is also called Naukri, subsidiary will invest in Ray IoT solution. Almost $4 lakh they will invest in that. AIA engineering subsidiary, which is Vega Industries for international market. They have acquired 30% stake in Vega MPS Pty Australia. They are in the similar business. So they do mining liners. So only two major players are there. AA Engineering is the second major player globally. And here they say the Australian venture, if in the next 3 years they can increase another 40%. But currently they are buying at 7.86 million Australian dollars. So it is a very good deal because Australia is the mining hub. Having a presence in Australia is very important for AA Engineering. They are in about 170 countries. It is a very good stock for a long-term investor. Ashok Leyland launches Eco MedStar 1915 with 18.49 ton GVW for domestic market. Even Signature Global and SAMI reported Q1 FY24 results. So the results were in loss, but I leave it to you people. It is very difficult to comment on it. Larsen and Toubro is winning a lot of orders. This is one stock which has been consistent in order win. Recently, they have won a 7,000 crore above. They say it is mega order. That means it can be anything above 7,000 crores. So it is a Middle East for gas compression plant. It is an onshore project. So from GCC country alone, they now have more than 33% of their order book, which is commendable. Now, which was less than 25%, now it has been scaling up. High crude prices have made Gulf countries to invest more, and L&T is a preferred bidder in that thing. So it is very positive for them. Bank of Baroda board approved proposal to raise long-term financing of 10,000 crores for affordable housing and infrastructure. Satya Industries bags multiple contract worth 340 crores. So they are saying approximately it is 3,400 metric ton requirement of paper for different government agencies. So they will be printing some books, I think so. Precall has signed agreement for technology and supply of parts and systems with a Chinese company. And this will help Precall in technology transfer and supply partnership. Positive for Precall. Sula Wines gave an update, sales update, where they say their own brand has sold above 14% higher at 116 crores. Wine tourism was higher by 26% at 12 crores for this quarter. Oro Pharma has informed the exchange about expansion plan. They are planning. They are not saying they are going to invest. They are saying they are planning. They said they are looking to enter into a contract manufacturing operation, CMO, for biologics for Merck Sharp, which is a Singapore-based company. So they said, they will be ordering certain long lead equipment, and also they will begin civil works of the manufacturing unit. In the last news, Bagadia Chemicals informed has informed exchange that Indian Patent Office has given patent for novel process for preparation of ethypol for term of 20 years from 12th of January 2021. It is not now, from January 21. It is almost 2.5 years. So they will have 17.5 years. So they will have that pattern. So it is slightly positive, but we don't track the stock. With that, over to you, team.
या थैंक यू सर एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के हिंदी अपडेट्स के साथ। शुरू से अगर कुछ स्टॉक्स पे नजर डालें जहाँ पे पॉजिटिव आउटलुक बन रहा है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रियल एस्टेट सेगमेंट जो है वो रडार पे आता है। इसमें से डीएलएफ, लोधा, आशियाना हाउसिंग, श्रीराम प्रॉपर्टीज, गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज, ये कुछ स्टॉक्स है जहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव आउटलुक बन रहा है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अगर एएमसी सेक्टर पे नजर डाले तो यहाँ से स्टॉक्स लाइक एचडीएफसी, एएमसी, यूटीआई, नाम इंडिया, ये कुछ स्टॉक्स अच्छे लग रहे हैं। एट द सेम टाइम एंजल वन जो एक कंपनी है, ये अपना वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट सर्विसेज स्टार्ट करने का प्लानिंग कर रही है। सो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा कंपनी के लिए भी। ज्वेलरी सेगमेंट पे अगर बात करें तो ज्वेलरी सेगमेंट भी काफी अच्छा कर रहा है। इसमें से कल्याण ज्वेलर्स और सेनको, ये दो स्टॉक्स है जहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव आउटलुक आने वाले कुछ दिनों में बन रहा है। ग्रासिम इंडिया की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी जो है ये फंड रेजिंग कंसिडर कर रही है थ्रू प्रेफरेंस इशू। इसी के साथ अगर जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल की बात करें, तो इनके जो है रिसेंटली रिजल्ट्स आए थे, बट रिजल्ट के बाद जो है स्टॉक 9% करेक्ट हुआ है अपने हाई से, जो थोड़ा सा एक कॉशियस व्यू रखने का इंडिकेशन देता है, स्पेशली जो नए लिस्ट स्टॉक्स हुए हैं ऑन द एक्सचेंज। एल की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी जो है इनको हाल ही में बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स मिल रहे हैं। रिसेंटली इनको ₹7,000 करोड़ का एक मेगा ऑर्डर मिलने की पॉसिबिलिटी है। सो एक काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा एल के लिए। बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा के बोर्ड की अगर बात करें तो बोर्ड ने जो है एक प्रपोजल अप्रूव किया है फॉर द रेजिंग ऑफ ₹10,000 फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव। औरो फार्मा जो है इन्होंने एक्सचेंज को इन्फॉर्म किया है कि ये जल्दी एक एक्सपांशन करने वाले हैं। सो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा औरो फार्मा के लिए भी। टीसीएस की अगर बात करें तो टीसीएस के रिगार्डिंग एक स्लाइटली नेगेटिव अपडेट बन रहा है, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने काफी वीक सेट ऑफ रेवेन्यूज रिपोर्ट किए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ स्लो डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिशनरी प्रोजेक्ट्स। स्पेशली अगर इनके नॉर्थ अमेरिका प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात करें तो ओवरऑल अगर बात करें तो मैक्रोस जो है वो फिलहाल काफी अनसर्टन लग रहा है। सो हम बिलीव कर रहे हैं कि टीसीएस जो है इट विल कंटिन्यू टू विन कॉस्ट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन। हमारा कहीं ना कहीं एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि टीसीएस एक की बेनिफिशियरी हो सकता है, कंसीडरिंग जो क्लाइंट प्रोफाइल है एंड रीसेंट लार्ज डील जो इनको मिल रही है उसके बेसिस पे। टीसीएस के स्टॉक की अगर बात करें तो जो रिसेंटली एक रन अप हुआ है प्राइस में, बिकॉज ऑफ विच हमने इसके स्टॉक को डाउनग्रेड किया है फ्रॉम बाय टू होल्ड, एंड इसी के साथ इसका टारगेट प्राइस जो है वो भी सेम रखा है एट ₹3,740। मारुति सुजुकी इंडिया की अगर बात करें तो ये जो कंपनी है इन्होंने एक एक्सपोर्टिंग स्टार्ट किया है, एक्सपोर्टिंग ऑफ द जिमनी 5 डोर। ये जो व्हीकल है ये लैटिन अमेरिका पे शिप किया जाएगा, मिडल ईस्ट पे शिप किया जाएगा एंड अफ्रीका में भी शिप किया जाएगा। सो एक काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट है मारुति सुजुकी के लिए। सिप्ला की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी का जो इन्वेजन फार्मास्यूटिकल्स है उनको एक ईआईआर मिला है फ्रॉम यूएस एफडीए पोस्ट इंस्पेक्शन ऑफ द लॉन्ग आइलैंड फैसिलिटी एज वॉलंटरी एक्शन इंडिकेटेड। सो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट होगा सिप्ला के लिए भी। लेमन ट्री होटल्स की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी ने अनाउंस किया है कि लेमन ट्री होटल सोनमार्ग के नाम पे एक और एक होटल ओपन कर रहे हैं। ये कंपनी की फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी होने वाली है जम्मू कश्मीर में। सो ओवरऑल होटल की बात करें तो यहाँ पे होटल 38 वेल अपॉइंटेड रूम्स एंड सूट्स फीचर कर रहा है। उसमें से कुछ जो है वो स्नो कवर्ड माउंटेन्स एंड सिंध रिवर विथ लार्ज विंडोज आउटडोर्स में देखे जाएंगे। सो काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट है लेमन ट्री के लिए। फाइनल अपडेट जो है वो है एस्ट्रल के ऊपर, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने अपना कमर्शियल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लास्टिक वाटर स्टोरेज टैंक एंड पीवीसी पाइप्स कमेंस किया है गुवाहाटी प्लांट में। तो काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा कंपनी के लिए। इसी के साथ अगर कुछ मार्केट अपडेट्स पे नजर डालें तो कल के सेशन में हमने देखा कि निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी दोनों में एक साइडवेज ट्रेडिंग सेशन हुआ था आफ्टर बुलिश रैली ऑन द प्रीवियस डे। निफ्टी की अगर बात करें तो इंडेक्स अभी भी जो है 19,500 से लेके 20,000 की रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है। सो एक शिफ्ट इन रेंज हमको देखने मिला है ऊपर की तरफ, जो एक पॉजिटिव सिग्नल है निफ्टी के लिए। आज के इंट्राडे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर बात करें जहाँ पे निफ्टी की वीकली एक्सपायरी होने वाली है, तो हाँ 19,650 के लेवल से अगर कोई भी डिप मिले तो वहां पे एक जो है पॉजिटिव आउटलुक, एक बाइंग का रिकमेंडेशन रहेगा अनलेस एंड अनटिल निफ्टी इज होल्डिंग अप टू 19,650 लेवल। सो व्यू जो है बुलिश ही रहेगा। बैंक निफ्टी की अगर बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी जो है ये 44,000 से लेके 45,000 की रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है। सो यहाँ पे भी 44,300 एक इम्पोर्टेंट इंट्राडे सपोर्ट है। यहाँ तक अगर कोई भी डिप मिलता है आफ्टर रैली सिंस 2 डेज, तो बाइंग की जो है अपॉर्चुनिटी देखी जा सकती है। ओवरऑल व्यू जो है वो दोनों इंडाइसेस पे पॉजिटिव है। कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे आज के सेशन पे नजर रखी जा सकती है तो वो है एस्कॉर्ट्स, गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज, एलेम्बिक फार्मा एंड हीरो मोटोकॉर्प। एफआईआईज एंड डीआईएस डेटा की अगर बात करें तो कल के सेशन में एफआईआईज ने फिर से जो है 421.77 करोड़ की सेलिंग की है, जबकि डीआईएस ने ₹1,032.02 करोड़ की बाइंग की है। फ्यूचर्स डेटा की अगर बात करें तो कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे लॉन्ग बिल्डअप कल के सेशन में देखने मिला है वो है इंडिया सीमेंट्स, टाटा केमिकल्स एंड दीपक नाइट्रेट। जबकि कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे शॉर्ट बिल्डअप देखने मिला है वो है आईसीआईसीआई प्रूडेंशियल लाइफ, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा एंड इंडिया मार्ट। So this was all from our side. Thank you for attending the morning con call. Have a good day.